Got this white stuff, whatever that is, I don't know. Come on. When you hear, we got our water back on. We had that bad winter snowstorm. I'm going to see if we can try to start the fusion. We didn't need generators, so we didn't thicker with that generator, so we didn't need it, but it's still got to get it running. So we'll go ahead and do a cold start on the fusion. I'm not bothering with any other vehicles. Our road got plowed. I met our new neighbor. She seems real nice. She has no water either. I'm gonna let this start and run a little bit. It hasn't been driven since Friday, actually. Today's Monday. I think the radio might be on. Let's see here. Oh, that ticking is back again. We got the new blower motor in. So I'm just reporting that we made it through the storm safe here in Virginia. Well, we're south of Fredericksburg and south of Spotsylvania County, and we seem to be good in Virginia. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one. Thanks for watching.